pull this up. Ain't got my screen quite ready yet, but that's all right. My people are still joining in. Let's change this. Here we go. Forgot to have that set up after from the video yesterday. All right, well, I'll go ahead and get started. So we've already got 26 people here watching. I don't want to keep anyone waiting. So today is very, very exciting for Jasmy. And just to let you know, if you're thinking it's a scam, it's not. And I'm about to provide the proof on why it's not a scam. So if you join this video thinking that the post was saying this is a scam and I'm providing the proof that it is, you're sadly mistaken. All right. So I'm about to just settle it clear in day right now on everyone saying this is a scam, that it truly is not a scam. All right. So I'm going to answer a couple other questions at the end of the video. I've had a couple people ask some questions. I dived in and got those answers for you. So, but we're gonna go ahead and break this down here real quick, so we can see that Jasmy had a little increase here back on the March, started right around March 15th. It's came up. It's now starting to settle down. So you can see that with the 200, the 100, the 50, and the 20 EMAs. Okay. So we can see right now the 200 EMA is right now battling the 20 EMA. So the yellow line is the 200 EMA and the red line is the 20 EMA. We also know that Binance just last night, they released this trading event and they're giving away a Tesla Model Y and $20,000 to the winner. All right. Wow. Oh, I mean, this is nice, guys. This is a nice little competition that they just started up. And I mean, if you think about it, one, Jasmy, I mean, you look at other tokens and coins, none of them is really doing competitions like this. Jasmy's like the only one doing this, guys. So, I mean, that's just bullish. Okay. But I'm not going to go there, too much longer than that, but let's dive back in. So we are looking over the next 7 days. This tournament ends on the 13th. We're going to see this sort of make some new highs and lows during this time period. And hopefully we see another little spike. We might end up seeing 5 cents. It could hit 6 cents. But I don't know. We'll just have to keep our eye on it right now. I mean, we definitely see that the exchanges are all in the green over here on the right side. This is all exchanges here for Jasmy. And we can also see the Kraken exchange. Looky there. Seeing some data input there. Look at the buying. 1.44 million for Kraken. That's some nice statistics there. That's being traded on the new exchange we were just recently listed on. So that's exciting news. But let's go back here. So just showing this battling out from the 200 EMA and the 20 EMA, just showing some bullishness there. And this is sort of coming down, and a lot of times they call this the squeeze when all of these EMAs come together, and you usually see it pop up and skyrocket when that happens. So you can see how they're all coming closer together here. So that's just a good thing that it's stabilizing. But with this trading event is really going to help take off with this coin here. Hopefully over the next week, we might see this break the all-time high, not the all-time high, but break that 0.045 that we seen back on the 22nd of March. But here we go. We're going to dive right in. We're going to dive right in today. So why is this chart necessary here on the proof? So we can see dating back, looks like February 12th of 2021. CoinMarketCap started getting information on Jasmy coin. Why is that important? Because when Jasmy was founded in Japan, it took a little bit of period of time for the coin to be established on some of the exchanges to be traded. All right. So when it was founded in 2020. So here's where we're at on this. So this website here, you can go to, it's in the description link below. All right. This just is a registration with Japan. All right. The Securities Exchange Commission, more or less. So like the US, we have the SEC, Securities Exchange Commission. When businesses file, you can go look up every business that is filed in the United States. You can see it. All right. And you have states too that they file under, individual states that you can look this information up. If you're in business, if you own a business, you know what I'm saying. All right. Japan is no different. They have this same thing set up here. Okay. But this also shows patents and stuff on here too. So man, you guys are about to get you're about to get some information here that not very many people know about. All right, so let's take a look at this registration number here. So we see the registration date was back in, it looks like 2018 it was filed. Right here's the date of the application, 2017. You can see the name, trademark for the search is Jasmy. All right, and you can see all of this. If you go to this website, you can actually pull this up right here. All right, if you go to the top, I have it in the description below, and you can search for the keywords right here. You can search for Jasmy, you can search for data democracy, you can search for whatever you want, and it's going to pull up patents and information relative to your keywords in Japan. And that's how I found all of this information. So, but let's just scroll down here so you can see that one Jasmy has been incorporated here. You can see some names. It's in Tokyo. I mean, you can really break down. They started off with measuring and testing machines and instruments. All right, so designated goods, designated services. So at the beginning of time with the coin, they really didn't know where it was going to go. They had some idea, all right, and they wanted to make that idea a reality. Okay, so let's jump to the next one here. All right, so next page here. All right, so I think this is, yep, right here. Okay, so now we're on this. You can see the registration number here, 682. Now we're going to this one here, 8034. All right, so now we can see as this progresses, May 12th, 2021, you can see here's Jasmy again. All right, another trademark here that you're seeing. All right, 2021 of May 12th. All right, so why is that important? I mean, you can see Jasmy coin here. Look at this going up, boom, and coming down. You can see the connections here with these patents and what was going on. Date of publication, July 14th, 2020. All right. This is just huge because when the coin was listed on the exchanges, you can sort of see the progression of this coin being created, being made, getting publicly released. CoinMarketCap now reflecting this coin, the news going out. You can see it on Hara's Twitter channel. All right. You can connect all of these dots. So let's scroll down here. All right. So you can see here, look at what they did. Classes of goods and services, okay? So we can see on the previous page right here when it first was done and trademarked in 2018, right here, classes of goods and services. They just added a patent to this, all right? So you can see now that they added it, look at all of this information they have here. I mean, promoting goods and services through administrations of sales. You keep scrolling. You know, acceptance, installment, savings, loans, financing. I mean, you keep scrolling. Look at this. Money exchange, virtual currency. I mean, you keep scrolling down. I mean, brokerage, forward agreements of securities. You're talking about financial ecosystems here, okay? Like they had to come out with everything here to cover all things Jasmy related. I mean, this is cool. Rental paper money. I mean, look at this. I mean, I just keep scrolling. You know, providing computer programs. There you go. Secure PC data lockers. Ding, 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 ding. So, I mean, this is software services. I mean, right here, you can literally connect all the dots here as time progresses on this coin. So then let's go to the next patent, all right, from keywords that I've searched. And all I've done is search keywords, Jasmy, and went through each patent and looked at these patents. All right, so here's one. Researched secure PC. I pulled this up. Look at what we found here. Look on the right here. Look at this. A person on a computer, you know what I mean? In an app. I mean, you can literally see data lockers here with the coin. Like, come on, like servers, like you can look at this. Look at this. I mean, all of this stuff. I mean, this is just, you can see this. I mean, this is just bullish information that's been problem to it solved. You know, comparative low cost settlement system with the high security for credit information. So, I mean, you can see this stuff as Jasmy has, you know, progressed in their patents, what they're doing and where they're trying to go with this. I mean, this is just absolutely, this is crazy. All right. So just more proof. This is not a scam token, not a scam token. All right, so let's go to the next one here. Data locker. I searched this data locker. Look at this. November 4th, 2021. Jasmy data personal locker. Look at this. You can go down here. You can see the names, the representatives. All right, right here. You can see they patented it. So look at this. Look at this guy right here. You can go find him on LinkedIn right here. There he is on LinkedIn. Look what he is. He's a data scientist. Data scientist. Come on now. More proof. Check that out. I mean, this ain't a scam. Now, look at this. Let me just go back here. Let me just show you guys something here. All right. Let's scroll down. You can see now they put encryption key in here. Download for receiving and measuring and testing machines and instruments. All right. Power distribution apparatuses. Look at all these keywords. Customer data of a company, data consumer profiling, data computer databases. All right. I mean, this is just data log, electronic data. I mean, you can just scroll down and see all of this. Brokerage of securities. Just more patents here, providing that this is a true coin. They've listed the patents as time has progressed. So let me link something else here for you. November 4th, 2021. Right here, Hara. Look what was posted on November 5th. November 5th from Hara, guys. Secure PC launch campaign. The day after the patent was actually went through in Japan, he puts this on his Twitter profile the next day. Come on now. Come on now. This ain't no scam token. Get out of here. I mean, you guys just spreading that false narrative, just lost thousands of dollars. You just want to spread the FUD for whatever reason you want to go. You're getting blocked. You're blocked. All right. There's a couple people I've seen that's been posting. You're getting blocked. This ain't no scam. You think it's a scam? You need to go elsewhere. This ain't no scam. All the proof right here you can see and you can find. If you're an investor and you're looking to confidently invest in Jasmy, here's the confidence, guys. There's nothing here to even show this is a scam. Everything I'm providing is valid proof, all right, that this is a legit project, all right, with what they're doing. And Japan is leading global domination on data democracy. Global, all right? This is just bullish news. And I'm not sitting here saying this because I want to see the coin just skyrocket so I can make money. I'm going to show you a video of what I actually invested in, how much I invested, and how much money I have in it, how much money I lost, and I'm in loss right now. I have no problem showing all of that, all right? But here's the thing. Solid project, bullish info, all proof. This is no scam. Right there it is. If you're a naysayer, you've just been proved wrong. Get out of here. All right, so, all right, back. I'm getting excited. I just wanted to show how excited I am on this, guys. I'm sorry, I know I'm getting loud, but man, those naysayers and those people spreading FUD and scam token, block them. If they're on your profile, block them. We all need to block them. We don't need the negativity being spread around the coin when it's all false narrative, whatever reason they're doing it. Either they want to drive the price down so they can fill their pockets, all right, because people do that. There is people paid, all right, to spread FUD and to spread stuff so people can line their pockets. That's not true. They just do that to drive the price of the coin down so they can buy in at a lower price. Or people have missed the buy-in opportunity and now they're late to the show. Well, you're still not late. You can still buy in. The token's still going to go up, all right? So anyway, so here we go. So check this out. So right here, you can see this, just another keyword I searched there, has all the proof. You can see the names. All right, now let's take a look at this. I actually dove in here and looked a little bit more information on the trademark application. Okay, so you have history records, but look at this. You can see right here, it breaks down everything on this page. Articles on classic goods, and you can just keep scrolling and keep scrolling and keep scrolling, and you can see everything that you need to know right here. All right, so I'm loving this, guys. If man, all proof. You can't dispute it. There is no disputing it. None. Zero. No ground for you to stand on. Nothing. All right. So if you're spreading FUD, you either block me or I'm blocking you. That's all there is to it. All right. So here it is. You can go look it up. Links in description below. All the proof. You can go do your own research. I'm providing the facts. Can't dispute it. All right. So like I said, here's this guy, one of the guys I looked up. You can go down here. You can copy these guys and paste these guys, and you can go look them up on LinkedIn. That's all I did. You can see the proof with the people. If you go look them up, well, that one doesn't have a LinkedIn, but you can go look them up right on there and you can see everything. But man, this is exciting stuff, guys. That's it for the proof for today, but I'm going to answer one question. So someone had a question on some of the management personnel that had tagged me on Twitter. And here we can just see a breakdown of the management structure. Okay, so you have the management structure here, but then you also have the people that help to create the patents right here. So you can see some of the people working behind the scenes that ain't getting recognition, but you can see them right here on the patents. And then you can see right here on the company profile, the ones that are directly involved, that is being made publicly on the coin. So, but man, this is exciting, guys. But that's to answer the question on the management structure. And I'll end up tagging you. If you haven't watched this video, I'll tag you in that post that you made and tagged me in on Twitter. So, but this is a great future for the coin on where it's going with this Tesla, the Model Y, the 20,000 in Jasmy token voucher that they're going to release. You think about the AI technology that's coming out and around Sony and these cars, these self-driving cars, and you think, who is the leader of this technology? Elon Musk. All right. So you better believe when you're talking Sony, all right, and we know Sony's involved with Jasmy and partnered, they've talked to Elon Musk. There's something there. They're not going to release it. Elon Musk isn't he's an influencer. So many people follow him. What it would take for him to even say something about Jasmy would make Jasmy go off the charts. I mean, that would be awesome if he did. Don't get me wrong, but I just don't see it happening. But it would be cool if he could chime in at some point and say something. All right, so I mentioned that today. But man, this is a good time for entry, guys. I mean, this coin is one. I did check Etherscan today. All right, I have not seen any new liquidation of tokens. The 3 billion that was issued, they've been issued out to these exchanges, and I believe most of that has now been sold out on the exchanges. There was a few wallets that activated, but they were all sent to mostly the Binance exchange. All right, and I think that's for liquidity. All right, I think they issued those out for liquidity. They didn't sell them for the volume as the buying pressure picked up. So as far as the Etherscan, it's calmed down a lot, and I could see this definitely trending up more here in the future. But we are seeing some traders, all right, that's taking profits. All right, and you can see that if you draw this line. So what you have here is at these peaks. All right, you have this first peak that was created, and then from there they drew a line and they set their next sell order. You know what I mean? And they've set their next sell order, so you can see these peaks when they sell. They just use trajectories on these lines. So there's some people taking profits, but as this next phase 2 of these data lockers being connected and being released, we could see the coin go up higher. But volume at some point is not going to be the driver of this coin. It's literally going to go, volume is up here, it's going to go down, and literally the data and what the data is being purchased for is going to go up. So at some point, volume will not influence the price of this coin. It will to a degree of using it for the data lockers, and it's going to be needed for that. But we can see in the future of where this is actually going to go with the Internet of Things and with what Jasmy is doing. And I've provided the proof that Jasmy is a real token with real value. That is a real coin in Japan on the exchanges that's listed on their security, the JVCEA. It's listed on there. All right. And then you can see it today that I showed you right here on the website, the JPlat, which is talks all about the trademarks that's been created for Jasmy. But man, this is exciting news, guys. So super exciting. But if you haven't had a chance to follow me on Twitter or subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep asking questions, keep challenging me, and I'll keep researching and digging deeper to get you guys those answers. So if there's something that you guys ain't sure about, man, I would love to be proved wrong on something. And I have in the past, and I like that because that makes me challenge my proof and to dive deeper. And I love that part about diving into this coin to find proof. All right, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Until the next video I make, whether you guys tag me on something, I do have a couple things of information that I can release. It's just going to be a little bit before I do. So, but that's it for today. Bullish in the long term, guys. If you're looking to enter, you know, it's never a bad time. Just know there will be corrections at times and the coin price will go down. None of us knows what's going to happen with the short term of the coin, but we all know it's a long-term investment. So, but